Hi guys, welcome to this short review about this Artman Enduro pack for GoPro 9, 10, 11. Will probably also work for the 12, all the latest GoPros. It comes with a 3-channel charger, includes also 2 batteries with 1800 milliamps, which means that they are even larger than the original GoPro batteries. And they are supposed to work really good for low temperatures. And it's a really nice plus. As an input, they are using USB-C, so you can charge it almost everywhere. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what you get, and then show you how it works on my GoPro 10 Black Hero. Everything comes nicely organized, nicely protected. So here's the charging cradle, and here the 2 batteries. Comes also with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. So let's open C. Looks really nice. And here we have the batteries, also looking really nice. So here we compare them to the original one, and we can see everything is exactly the same. There is no difference in size here. We have also this flap here, which is really important to pull the battery out. And so let's plug it in. We get this blue light in the back, and we get the green LEDs here. So let's push this battery here inside, and as you can see, it starts charging with the red light. And so let's see if we can also charge the original GoPro battery. Let's push it also down, and it goes into red as well. And now the second one also goes into red. So you can see we can charge 3 of them at the same time, even mixed original and the replacement from Artman. And so after some time we can see we have 2 times still red, means charging, and the one on the right side is showing green, means fully charged. And so we can remove this here. And so maybe here again the description side by side. The original one says 1720 milliamps, and the one from Artman says 1800 milliamps. And so let's open and insert it here. Yeah, works really good. I can't feel any difference. And we close the battery compartment, long press, and it's turning on like normal. No error message, no nothing, because the GoPro can be very sensitive. If there is some problem with the battery, it would come up with some error message, but it is not, and you can see it's showing 100%. And in the meantime, we can see the second Artman battery is fully charged, but the GoPro original still charging. So we definitely have individual charging lights. And so let's test the runtime here with the Artman inside. Let's increase to 4K. And so let's start and see how long this lasts. So it stopped after the battery was fully drained. So let's open, put it back into charge. And now we can use the original one, which shows green. Put it inside, close it. There's not much difference. Maybe you can feel that the original one is a little bit slimmer or so, but there's no big difference. But it shows only 70%. Why is 70%? But we have a second GoPro battery. Let's turn this one on, and we can check on the duration of the video. Yes, stop this here. Yeah, I hope you can see that. I think it has been recording for 24 minutes and 52 seconds with the Artman battery on 4K. And so I have now an original GoPro battery here inside. By the way, I've been charging it here, and it shows also 100%, as you can see. I hope it's focusing. We are also on 4K, and so let's start it here as well and see how long it will be recording compared to the Artman battery. And so it has also stopped. I have this battery here, you can see it's already recharging, and I've added new battery, so we have power and can check how long the recording has been. And we can see it's 35-30, quite a bit longer with the original battery compared to the Artman. So I don't know if this is really
1800 milliamps, probably it's a bit less, unfortunately. I mean, they still work, but I would have expected at least same capacity, or rather a little bit more, because with the old GoPro I have seen a couple of third-party batteries which really have been better than the original one, and that's not the case here with the Artman. I mean, it's working. If you're interested, I'll put down the link down into the description, but I cannot give actually full recommendation. But I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.